we called Guardian Roofing. Actually, a family member had used them years ago. So we got in contact with them because we needed a new roof on our garage and we needed a cleaning on our house roof. The first job they did was the roof repair, full on new roof. And they did an amazing job. They got it all done in one day. The cleanup they did was absolutely phenomenal. They even had to replace wood on the roof and just really did an excellent job with the whole thing. Then they came back in another week or so to do the house roof cleaning. And that was a different crew. And they did a wonderful job as well there. With that, all the cleanup, everything was done very professionally. Extremely nice group of people. And we also had another family house done through them and another job well done is completely as well. The service from beginning to end, from the rep that came out in the beginning to the people that came to deliver the product as well as put the product on the roof, have just been absolutely phenomenal and extremely cleaned up with everything they did. I have recommended Guardian Roofing, and I will totally recommend Guardian Roofing to anybody who would like to use them. It's an extremely professional crew. Everybody was very helpful, and we had no issues.